This past Monday in a U.S. District Court in Manhattan, the Chinese search engine giant Baidu had a case of censoring against them dismissed. The judge showed that the prosecution had failed to follow rules of the court, and the case was thrown out on a technicality. The case was brought against Baidu by 8 New York writers and video producers that claimed Baidu was illegally censoring them over the internet. U.S. District Judge Jesse Furman in Manhattan said the dismissal was proper because the defendants had not been properly served with court papers. The case was originally filed in court in May of 2011. The complaint said Baidu and China violated the First Amendment to the United States Constitution, as well as various civil and human rights laws, by conspiring to suppress their political speech from Baidu's search engine results. The plaintiffs said their content could be found through rival search engines such as Google, Yahoo, Microsoft's Bing, and Google's video sharing service YouTube, and that the suppression on Baidu justified millions of dollars in damages. Judge Furman said there was plainly no merit to the idea that the defendants were properly served. In China's defense, China had expressly invoked a Hague Convention provision, allowing it to refuse service that would infringe its sovereignty or security. The judge also said he lacked jurisdiction to decide whether China properly invoked that provision, and that if he had jurisdiction, he would find that the invocation could apply to private parties such as Baidu. China did not make a formal appearance Monday in court, but had previously said the lawsuit should fail because a U.S. court cannot tell a sovereign country what to do. Judge Furman put the dismissal on hold for 30 days to allow the plaintiffs a chance to propose another means of serving Baidu and show why China should not be dismissed as a defendant. The legal teams from both sides of the issue did not comment on the judge's dismissal, preferring to keep quiet until the next court appearance occurs. This particular claim against censorship came 1 year after Google had censorship issues and pulled its search engine out of China, and has since redirected people in China to the Hong Kong search engine.